everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today it's unboxing time. I got my Glossybox for the month of January and we'll unbox it together like every month. So let's see what's in this. And we'll just open it up, and as usual we have the Glossy magazine on top, and this time it's strong and beautiful. That's the theme this month. We'll just take out the magazine. We'll take a look at it later. And that's my Glossybox, and it's full of products. The first big thing I see is a Nivea body lotion with Q10 and vitamin C. And I really like Nivea. Like in the last few weeks I've tested out a few of their products and I've been really falling in love with it. So I'm excited to use this. And then we got one of my favorite face masks by Neutrogena, and it's the Hydra Boost for intense hydration. Now those sheet masks are really good. I like them a lot. And then we got a lip crayon, matte lip crayon by Deuce, I guess. That's what the company is called. And it's a red, I guess I can see that. Yes, it's a dark red, and it's really pretty. Nice color, perfect for winter time now. And then we got by Be Good a eye cream. Looks like this. It's a Austrian brand. They sell it at one of the Austrian drugstores. And we'll open it up and see. Actually, my eye creams are almost empty, so this comes just right in time. We'll test it. Oh, it's very thick, I guess. Look at this. And then, yes, it's very thick. So that's really, it smells very natural because I guess it's a natural brand. Yes, it's certified natural cosmetic. It's very thick, so I guess it's going to be very hydrating, so I like that. And the last thing we got is by Benefit. It's the 24-hour brow setter. I haven't tested much by Benefit, just a little bit. It looks like a clear gel. It comes with one of those brushes, and I guess you just kind of brush it in your eyebrows. I'm excited to try that. I haven't tried it yet. Shaping and setting gel for brows. We'll test it out. And that's already it. There's nothing more. And then we'll take a look into the magazine. All right, so the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. Like, let's see how much does it have. It's 2 milliliter, and 7 is usually 27. So it's like 28, so it's like, what, 12 euro? And then we have the body lotion by Nivea, which is 5 euros, so that makes it 17. And then we have, well, they have some really great things in there. There's one of those humble brushes. I already had the detox mask by Caudalie. Let's see. So the mask is 3 euro, the Neutrogena face mask, so that makes it 20. The eye cream right here, that's 4, so 24, and the lip crayon is actually almost 20, so that's 44. Oh, and the next box is gonna be a Valentine's box, as you can see. It's all about love. Okay, so 44 euro for this box. I gotta honestly say this box did not blow me away really. But you know, I'm still gonna try those things. I mean, I already know that I love these masks a lot, and I already know that I love Nivea. And I've got to try the eye cream. I'm excited for that. And obviously, as a girl, you can never have enough red lipsticks. The color is actually called Winterberry, so I guess it's like especially for the winter time. That's exciting. So yeah, those are all my products from my Glossybox. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up down below, and then I'll see you in my next video. Bye!